weird dream last night that this small girl was psyched about 4th of July, and there's like this weird elf chick who was keep on saying that it was Christmas. They kept on arguing and arguing and arguing. I don't even know if that was my dream or nothing, but I just had it in my mind. It's 4th of July! I can't wait for the fireworks and all the flashing flags, food.
I don't think so. It's really Christmas. See my hat?
It's not Christmas.
It is Christmas.
That's the one thing that's not Christmas.
It's Christmas.
It's not Christmas!
Santa's the best. Santa!
Santa is the best, but it's not Christmas. It's Halloween or 4th of July, and I bet it's 4th of July. It's not Christmas, and get on my spot.
Oh my gosh.
Get
Let me
out!
tell you. Let me tell you. This right here today. One day of the year. One day. One day. It's Christmas. And
Yeah, that
discussion.
day is in 6 months, okay? It is 4th of July. With
Christmas!
Yep. That was pretty hot.